Oh. Don't kill me, killer. Okay, it's right there. Ding dong.
Someone's at the front door.
Oh, I like that. Oh. Where though? Sunlight, not light. Oh, that's the dog. Hang on, we try again. I got a question at the Facebook. I'm out there. Oh.
Someone's at the front door.
I don't know what time it is. Google, what time is it? Google, what time is it? Hey Google, what time is it?
4:43 p.m.
Thank you. Oh wait, it's cold. I should have worn gloves. Well, wait a minute. Sit down. Let's stack up questions. And I got good news and bad news. I got good news and bad news. Good news, we got a revival at both churches. Bad news, it's cold out here. Yeah. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 4:43. Good news. Good. We're going to have a revival at both churches. And bad news is it's cold. It really ain't that cold.